Question number 1. I is equal to integral of sin 3x by sin x dx. Solution. So therefore, I is equal to integral of sin 3x by sin x. Sin x can be written as the formula of sin x 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x divides sin x of dx, which is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x by x. X can be divided 3 sin x by sin x minus 4 sin cube x by sin x of dx. Sin x cancel, sin x square. Integral of 3 minus 4 sin square x of dx, which is equal to integral of 3 dx integral of minus 4 sin square x dx, which is equal to 3 into 1 dx minus 4 into integral of sin x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. So therefore 3 into x minus 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 integral of 1 dx minus integral of cos 2x dx. So therefore 3x minus 2 into x minus cos 2x can be written as sin 2x by 2. So therefore 3x minus 2x minus 2 minus plus 2 sin 2x by 2. So therefore 2 to cancel, x plus sin 2x plus c. I is equal to